was right. Another Series 6/Series 5 NEL. 2,100 pound capacity. I had a feeling this one had one. Nice. Kinda wanna do one more round trip. Alright, here we go. Oh, hi.
Oh, it's okay.
Oh, you're good. You scared me for a minute.
It just scared me that nobody got off. Are you lost?
Yeah, just trying to find a bathroom.
Oh, sorry, we don't have a public restroom.
No, that's okay.
There's not one in this building.
No, that's okay. Thank you.
In the next door.
Thank you for letting me know.
Yep.
Well, at least I got away with this video. Well, I was right. This building doesn't